Hello Moodle users! In this video, we'll show you how to add the MathType editor in a Moodle environment. Users need administrator permissions to install and activate the corresponding plugins. The first step is to go to your site's administration and then click on the Plugins tab. Here is where you can add any new plugin by clicking Install Plugins. To install a plugin directly on your Moodle site, you need to log in with your Moodle account. Alternatively, you can browse the plugins directory as a guest and download a plugin to install it manually on your site. We'll show you how to do so as a guest. Please go to moodle.org/plugins and write MathType in the search bar. First, we need to download the MathType filter by Wirus. Click on Download. Once downloaded, please go back to the plugin installer section of your Moodle environment. You just need to choose the corresponding file from your Downloads folder and upload this file. Then you can click on Install Plugin from the zip file. Click on Continue. Scroll to the bottom of this screen and click on Continue again. Then click on Upgrade Moodle Database Now. Please check that everything was correctly installed, then click Continue again. Next, we need to enable the MathType filter and place it in the first position of the available filters. Please go back to the plugin section of your Moodle environment and look for the filter section. Here, click Manage Filters, then look for MathType by Wirus. Once found, set it to On and move it to the first available position. Once this is finished, please go to the Moodle plugins directory to install MathType for Atto or MathType for TinyMCE. This will depend on what text editors you have installed in your Moodle environment, or which of them is set as the default editor. In this video, we will install MathType for TinyMCE. Start the installation by clicking the MathType for TinyMCE link, then click Download. Once again, go back to the plugin installer section of your Moodle environment and follow the same process of installing the plugin from the zip file. A page showing configuration settings that you may want to customize will appear. For now, just click Save Changes. Installation is complete, and now you can enhance any text editor field with the TinyMCE editor included in your Moodle environment with MathType functionalities. Just go to the Announcements section and click Add a new discussion topic. If you have the TinyMCE editor selected, you will find our mathematical and chemistry editors included here. You can easily insert a mathematical expression with MathType by using the available toolbar or by using our handwriting functionality. For more instructions on using MathType with Moodle, please see our other videos or visit our documentation webpage.